Bad quality water is silently destroying your plumbing, and most homeowners don't even realize it. Want to know if your home is at risk? Here's a quick test. Fill a mason jar with cold water and add liquid soap. Close the lid and shake vigorously. Lather forms easily? You're likely fine. But if it barely foams, that's a sign of bad water quality and trouble for your house. So, what happens next? Number 1. Clogged pipes. Calcium and magnesium in hard water slowly coat the inside of your pipes. Over the years, this buildup reduces flow, damages the quality of your pipes, and increases the risk of clogs. How do you identify this? If your shower pressure is dropping gradually, it's a pretty strong sign. Number 2. Corrosion. Some water is naturally acidic or heavily chlorinated. Over time, it quietly wears away metal pipes, causing small leaks, cracks, and even metals seeping into your water. This doesn't happen overnight. It builds silently until repairs become expensive. Number 3. Appliances work harder. Bad quality water forces your water heaters, dishwashers, and washing machines to work overtime. It shortens appliance lifespan and drives up energy bills. How can you check? Look inside your dishwasher. If you see white specks on its interior and door, then it's likely mineral buildup. After inspecting over 1,000 homes, we can confidently say water damage isn't sudden, it's cumulative. It starts off as low water pressure, moves to weak plumbing, and in the end, thousands of dollars in repairs. Want to protect your plumbing? Pay attention to the signs. If your water is hard, consider installing a water softener. Your pipes will thank you.